Hello, hello, hello. I have my beautiful client here today, sharing my seat at City Colors Hair Studio, getting her first highlighting session. So this time we decided to only do a face frame because we don't want to have a shock factor here. That's not what we're doing. But we do want to give her something that looks fun and intentional. So that's what we're doing. So right now she's getting my standard money piece where I use a variation of weave techniques. Now, I will like to say, and I'm going to always reiterate this, when working with curly hair, slow processing, please. I only use 10 volume. Only 10 volume. I'd rather her sit there for an entire 60 minutes rather than her hair to snap off because we're rushing. So the face frame here is about 10 to 12 foils. It's nothing crazy. And you'll also see that I'm going to go right after these foils and start depositing color in her hair. She's typically like a level 7 on a scale 1 to 10. So she is fairly light, but we're going to have to refresh her her depositing color, which is about, I'll say, more on like a 5.5-ish. Her hair carries a lot of gold naturally, so I'm always using something that is muted to combat too much gold, so it won't be like a mousy brown. This was really, really fun. I love having my clients kind of elevate, especially when I've been doing their hair so long. I've been doing her hair since she was, I don't know, 13. So this is fun doing her hair. She's like 20 now, so it's beautiful and it's simple. She wasn't there forever, and I could rinse everything out together and get her blow dry and silk pressed, and then she's out the door. So also another tip here is when you are depositing color, you don't need to use 20 volume. I mean, unless you have like 70% grays, but she doesn't. She's a young woman. So we're just depositing color to make her color darker. That's pretty much what's going on here. Having product knowledge is extremely important. Excuse me, I can't talk. Extremely important because that is how you keep your client retention. Knowing what you are doing, not just technique, but also the product knowledge and color theory behind it. So I used Pravana, and this is what it came out. It's gorgeous. Looks like a Snicker bars to me, and I think it makes her blue eyes really pop. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you all soon.